Nice one, cool dudes. I am here at Braiding Station on the Isle of Wight. It is August. It is raining quite heavily. Brilliant. Was it forecast rain? No. But never mind. Let's try and be happy. Ha 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 ha. That's better. And today I'm going to undertake a braiding circular walk which goes through Alveston and Adgeston on the Isle of Wight. It's 7.5 miles. I suspect it'd be nice if I had some company, but maybe not.
Can you see me? Hi everyone.
Right. Right, let's get going. There's only one thing left to say. Don't even look at me. There's only one thing left to say.
Good luck, everybody, especially us.
Okay. Pigeon already. A bad sign. We're at the Boreal now, cool dudes. We just went for a quick visit to the Lilliput Doll Museum. And you can see that if you're a member of the Coolies Walking Club. There's a link here somewhere. Warning, it's slightly terrifying. That's why we are traumatised from this point onwards in the walk. Let's get going.
I'll be alright.
Heading braiding down now. As we've been to the Lilliput Doll and Toy Museum, it's time to ask, and I may have asked this before, what toy did you have as a child, or cuddly toy? I had a knitted Norwich City footballer and a panda, which I'm pleased to say was later released from captivity. Rowan, what did you have?
I had, my favourite ever toy was a little seal, and she was called Pinky, but I couldn't say Pinky, so we called her Doo-Doo. And I took on a Year 7 school trip to the Peak District.
Oh no, not a tragic story.
Someone called her a maggot. Also, sideline, I always wanted the Sylvanian barge.
Okay, too much information. We're taking a detour from the planned route to go straight onto Braiding Downs as someone, name beginning with R, ending in N, wants to have an early lunch. Cool dudes. You may remember the very first video that Rowan appeared in, which is when we searched for the Chalk Hill Blues. Inadvertently, we found what we think are loads of Chalk Hill Blues here on Braiding Down. Incredible. There's loads of them. It is as if the gods wanted us to stop on this hill and find the Chalk Hill Blues. Incredible. Lunchtime. My lunch is ham and cheese and mustard rolls, Walker's cheese and onion crisps, half of a caramel crunch dairy milk more bar. The best ones are the praline ones, or praline ones, however you say it. They're amazing, but they didn't have those. And strawberry laces. Pretty unhealthy. Also water. Rowan, please. Your lunch.
Cucumber and butter wraps. What? Grew those cucumbers myself. Mother flipping tomatoes from my greenhouse because I'm a gardener. Wannabe gardener. Nuts. Tangy Toms.
Oh, yes.
And for you.
Yes.
Old school.
Needless item of the day to pack. A full large bottle of sun protection lotion. It was forecast sun all day.
Look at them. Which one's your favourite? The one with the mint sauce. I'm only joking. Could take that out because I'm an animal lover, okay?
Talking of condiments, Rowan, it'd be lovely to hear a story about marmite if anyone knows one.
Ding. Could you put a light bulb above my head?
No.
Oh.
I'm going to put a dog turd above your head.
Very good. So, do you want to know a marmite story, team? So
Yes, please.
I was cleaning out the loft of my family home, and we're just sorting through some bits. And when I was born, too much information, the year of 1987, we were given, or my parents were given, a little family pack. Here's your child, and have this free pack of goodies. In it was a teeny tiny jar of Marmite, really small, and I found it, and my mother, bless her, threw it in the bin.
Yeah.
I said, hang on, I think there's a call for that on eBay. I said, let me try and flog it. She said, well, by all means, my dear, sweet favourite child.
Yeah, you can try to, but you won't get any money for it.
That's what she said,
Yes.
just like that. But remember, she called me her favourite child as well.
This is a dig at your brother, right?
I don't think so. Anyway, so I popped it on eBay. 12 minutes in, team. What do you think happened?
Barred for trying to sell illicit substances.
Yeah, at the time it would have been, gosh, what, 34 years old?
Yeah.
So it was still full, still unopened, teeny tiny box, gorgeous. In direct message, hi, I would love to add this to my collection. Would you take a buy it now price of... ... maybe they could guess.
Guess what it is in...
Don't be silly though.
3, 2, 1.
Would you take a buy it now price of £200?
How much you sell it for?
£200.
So you didn't wait and see it on auction?
£200.
You didn't wait to see it on auction?
No, listen to my words, £200.
Yeah, but they would have paid £200 anyway. You just set the auction price to £200.
She was so sweet. She sent me a picture of her collection in her lounge. Glass cabinet, Marmite. She needed my item. £200, love, and you can have it.
You say sweet woman, I say potential murderer. Rowan, what's this up ahead?
Yep. Tree answered.
Please explain.
It's a rowan. It's a rowan. Mountain ash. I'm named after this little beauty.
A rowan tree.
Yep. At least I think it's a rowan.
They always blossom at this.
I thought they were a little bit later, but they are coming into their own now. A whole row of rowans. How many rowans? It's too many rowans.
1.
Yeah, I didn't ask you, did I? I was asking.
Orange things hanging from the telegraph line here and here. If you know what they are, please write below. Thank you. About to cross this bridge. Looks like a normal bridge, right? But it's strangely bubbled up where the plastic's gone weird. And Rowan just said this to me.
I think there'll be slowworms and adders and anacondas under there.
You didn't say that. She said it's going to definitely be slowworms and adders under there. A lot of
They're
people...
going to be heating up. This is their tent. They're basically made tents. It's a scout camp for slowworms.
I'm going to go first, even though...
You're so brave.
Yeah. If one comes out, you're not going to be laughing. You're going to be glad I did the stick approach.
This is the worst bridge I've ever been on.
You'll thank me for this.
Will
when
I?
you don't get bitten by snakes. You're probably going to need your trousers for this bit. It's waist deep in reeds.
Something is in this box.
What's in the box? Dent, 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 dent. What's in the box? Dent, dent. What's in the...
Oh, no.
Oh, it's actually nice things.
I thought it was going to be an alligator or something. Look at that. How cool is
How long
that?
we caterpillar?
That's so nice. And this?
Put it over your head.
Isle of Wight. We've seen a chalk hill blue today. That's a red admiral, isn't it?
I should put a badge in or something.
Oh, have you got one? That could be yours. What a man. What a legend.
Just arrived at the station, and I expect many of you are thinking, I would very much like to join the Cool Dudes Walking Club to help fund more videos. We're down to one mic because the other one's gone, which is good in a way because it means that someone doesn't interrupt as much. That's one of the wet socks on my shoulder. If you would like to join Cool Dudes Walking Club, just go to this place, click on the join button and choose from what tier you would like to support me. In return, Rowan,
Yep.
you get to use these emojis. Oh no. And you get to do what?
Access to secret videos. That's much better than I hoped it would be. That's stunning. That's like a saxophone.
Yeah. All right. I think you upset that man, shaking his head.
No, he enjoyed it. He's into the sax.
How long was that walk, please?
5 hours and 17 minutes.
16 minutes. 7.8 miles.
Hurry.
All right.
How
many moments did you give it?
How many is it out of?
Okay, there we go. 5.
4.
Thanks very much for watching. Only one thing left to say. Stay cool. I hate you.
I hate you more.
Oh, that was nice. Almost as nice as this beautiful picture of the Chalk Hill Blue, which I've taken and set against the goats in the background. Wonderful, an original framed watercolour, which can be yours if you bid for it on eBay. Starting price, £12. Nice one, Cool Dudes. Time for the prize draw. Beforehand, I am selling special horror keyrings I'm making. There's loads of them that will be on the website the next few weeks for the ghost episodes, so please get those. Currently, there are 651 of you generous Cool Dudes who support me on YouTube and allow me to keep this channel going. Thank you so much for your help. It is brilliant. And you're all in the prize draw. What I do is I list the longest serving member, or get YouTube to list the longest serving member to the most recent in order. So 1 will be the longest serving member and 651 will be the most recent member. And the prize this time is for these cards by Stripey Art, a patch of the Isle of Wight, an incredible set of postcards from the Lilliput Doll Museum, including this Princess Diana model postcard, a limited edition Marek in a coffin keyring, a miniature book from the Lilliput Doll Museum, and a pencil sharpener, a ghost hunter badge, and stickers. Phew, what a prize! It's time to say, random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 359. The 359th longest serving member is Flesh Blues. I've got your email address, so I'll email you to get your real address. Congratulations. There'll be more prize draws soon. Thanks everyone for watching and joining the club. Don't forget there's an extras video as well for you members. Your key rings coming up in the gallery now. Continue to send them to me at callderswalkingclub@gmail.com. All right, that's it. Only one thing left to say. Stay cool.